Good morning, everybody. How are you guys doing today? Come on in and thumbs up the video. It is 11:08. I'm just coming out the room. I don't know why I've been tired lately, and I haven't worked on the van none this week. And I think today is Thursday, which is surprising to me. I think today is Thursday. I don't feel like fixing anything to eat this morning, so I'm just gonna get me a beef patty. Maybe I'll eat another one later if that's not enough. But I'm getting ready to go outside and see what I want to do today. I probably should eat me a piece of this bread as well. And I definitely need to get some sardines in today. So when I come in the house later, I'm gonna eat some sardines because it's harder to do a diet when it's things you have to do. Let me see, is Miss Charlene in her room? You in here? No, oh, both of y'all up in here. Oh, they must have went somewhere. Both of the dogs are in there. Okay, so let me go outside. Let me get my patty. Let me see if this is warm enough. I got my patty, beef patty, and my bread. The patty warm enough. The bread could be warmer. Let me get a bottle of water. I do need some electrolytes, but so let's go outside and see what we're gonna get done today. I need to make another door. I already have a door made for the little pull-out drawer, but when I made it, I didn't consider. So I'll leave that door open. I didn't consider the height of other stuff. So, Miss Charlene and Miss Pauline not even out here today. They must have had something else to do today. Okay. So, I was like, what happened to my other wood? I forgot I moved my wood. So, anywho, I got to go get the key to unlock the thing because they're not out here. And I'm gonna get my other camera so I could film a video. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I'm thirsty. Miss Charlene said it was a pretty day yesterday. And I guess today is kind of the same as yesterday because it is a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? I have always wanted to have a neighbor just like you. If you want a good neighbor, you got to be a good neighbor, but you don't always get a good neighbor even though you want one. So I'm gonna fill these holes first, and then I'm gonna figure out what to do about the faceplate. So let me show y'all. I drilled some holes, and I don't even know if like this is gonna show or do I need to even care about this. I might just cover these right here and leave those uncovered for a while. And yeah, because if I ever need to take this apart or anything, it will be helpful to be able to get to those holes. But I might just cover these up here up front. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, y'all, I just got through sanding and painting the edge of this one. Painting this one. I'm going to paint this one on both sides twice. And that's just what I'm working on now. Once I get this painted, then I'm going to paint these orange. Okay, y'all, I'm pulling out the paint. And we're going to paint the front of this. I just stuck this down up in here. And paint this. We're going to put one coat. 2 coats on each side. Two coats on each side. I think this is the back side. I should have painted the front side first, but I think this is the back side. And it don't have to be really like full coverage with the first coat. You're gonna let that dry and do the second coat. And I like to do my edges as well. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll be back when I get ready to put the second coat. Okay, you guys, I am finished for today on the thing that I was working on, and me and Miss Charlene, we're getting ready to go to Walmart. We need some onions, and we're probably gonna stop by Goodwill. I'm trying to show her the way that I cover up my my toilet. She was trying to make something to cover up her toilet, so I am going to show her how I covered up my toilet. So yeah, let's go to Goodwill. Ease on down the road.